In building construction, the advantage of ground beam is the one I want to explain to you here. Ground beam is very necessary, especially if you want to build the upstairs, 2-story building, 3-story building, and so on. And it depends on the type of land you want to use. We have the land that is waterable and we have dry one. Whatever the type of land you want to use, you need a ground beam. You all know that land is moving, and to avoid something like this, you need a ground beam because foundation is very important in building construction. If you give your work to perfect people that can, as you can see, we put vibrator here for your concrete to attach to each other forever. As you